Is this still about my head?
So why putting you?
My head. So welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Sharon, back again. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. So we just reached in Panama and we just got to the Airbnb. So we're just waiting for the others to come a little later and then we are going to hit the streets. So quick little tour. There's the kitchen area. This is the living room and yeah. I can get a quick tour because y'all not getting a full tour again. Anyhow, bed. And this is one of the bathrooms. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll show you guys the view. She's a great view. She's a good view. Yeah. So we have lots of buildings here. Right. This is like right in the city. Get a picture. Yeah, it's right.
It's right there. Starbucks right there. Everything there. That way, got my friends stuff out there.
Just like everything.
The malls are. No, not malls. The army. 10 minutes away. 20 minutes away. You get a mall. 15.
Just a nice view. Left the Airbnb, so we actually heading into Starbucks now. So yeah, you guys saw the view on the rooftop is amazing. Oh my god, such an awesome view. But yeah, so nothing much right now. Tonight we're gonna head out to get some seafood for dinner, and that's really it for tonight. And maybe just hang out in the place, and then we'll do some more stuff from tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys.
Shit like cardio. I'm a district in the chain. Certify, you know I'm gang, 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 gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name? Yeah. I need the dollars. So you beat it up like the dollars. Oh, he's on the top of those
Me and Troy here waiting for the others, watching their fucking old Super Bowl videos. Like, what the fuck? Anyway, it was my voice though. The Westland is still here, so until then, we just watching videos. Like, and I sang that wrong to my voice though. I thought it was recording my thing. I thought it was a game, buddy.
She ain't bad, she ain't bad either. That's how you strand drunk.
Anyhow, guys, so all the time I was recording, I thought I was talking to y'all, but clearly it was recording. But anyhow, I was saying that we're ready for dinner. We're actually going to, wait a minute. La Vaza. Yeah, I sound horrible, whatever. So I will see you guys when we get to La Vaza. Boy gang here, Teron, hi. Say hi, Marian. Hello. Trey over there. Trey and outgoing.
Shorty said she coming with a friend, with a friend, with a friend, coming with a friend, with a friend.
And yeah, we just need to see what the menu is giving. The view is awesome.
Don't want no love, I just wanna make the moolah love. Yeah, the moolah love, I just wanna make the moolah love. Go on, show me the moolah love.
Shorty said she coming with a break drink, but she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah love. Yeah, the moolah love. I just wanna make the moolah love. Go on, show me the moolah love. Yeah, I don't want no love. You know me, I only think about funds. Me, I'm tryna do my own thing on my ones. I'm sorry, darling, I don't want no hugs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Had a couple guys try to hold me down, but they ain't my queen, they can't take my crown. They tried to claim it, I lost.
Just finished dinner. Dinner was great. The food was good. The vibe was good. The 10 would recommend. You guys should definitely check it out. The scenery and the view with the skyline, everything was fantastic. So yeah, I definitely would recommend that. So you guys definitely need to check out La Vespa. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I had the salmon, and the salmon was great. The flavors and the salmon was great. The pasta was great as well. So day one, that was the first restaurant, and the food was great. I definitely would recommend it. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Wait, this is the views at night, guys. The view is fantastic. Oh my God. This is like our vet. This is the gym. This is the pool at night. Morning, guys. It is day 2 in Panama, and I just woke up, well, literally like 30 minutes ago, and we are going down the street for breakfast, and then we are going to go to the supermarket, and we'll probably hit the mall a little bit. I'm not sure what's really on the agenda for today, but it is day 2, as I said. Slept very good last night, but let's see what today has planned. And I look a mess right now. My voice is still going, so I need to go and get something to eat so I can take some medication. And I'll see you guys once we hit the road. Had up on these shades because, again, I'm a mess. Just got it up. These people ask me a mess. I can never get my nail in. I know it sounds horrible. I said hakeem. How the fuck he get Jacqueline? Oh, Hakeem sound like Jacqueline. Tell me how Hakeem sound like Jacqueline. Hakeem and Jacqueline don't sound like. I think man, Hakeem is my name, right? Actually heading to the mall right now. I hope you guys can hear me. My voice sounds terrible, but hopefully my voice is only this for the entire vlog. But we're just heading to the mall right now to just see what they have. I need to get a memory card for my camera as well, so I can get back to vlogging on my camera. So I just got picked up by the Uber, and we're heading there right now. So I'll chat you guys when we get to the mall. We just came out to eat. From this cute little restaurant. It's a lobster spot.
Heard you got that deep for me. Pray love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me. Make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching, feeding. I know you want it, scheming. I know you need it, drug lord. You want it all, you don't. I know you need love. I need some too. Do you want this? Like it wants you. Know that booty gon' do what it want to. Can't hit it one time, bookable. I know you see this red Rex on me. Now come and get 20, 40, 80 out the trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map. We'll be right back. Call me when you wanna get
Yo, you're singing very hard? You are fat? Trey drunk, doing the most. Trying this here. Existing. Morning is day 2 here in Panama. Well, it's not morning, it's afternoon. It's like 2:15. And yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Today we really don't have anything planned, so we're probably just gonna chill. We got up earlier. We had breakfast, took a little nap, and I just took a shower, and we're probably just gonna head up to the pool today. Just go in the pool, kick it a little, and maybe just go and grab something to eat a little later this evening. That's it for today. Tomorrow we're gonna do a catamaran, so tomorrow will be a little bit more fun. So I'll bring you guys along on that for sure. But as I said, today we're really not doing anything. We want to do the Panama Canal. We originally was gonna do that today, but we all just got a bit. So maybe I'll just do that another day. As y'all can see, my face is going down, so it's not as swollen as you would have saw in the previous vlogs or at the beginning of this vlog, because I did get medication for my sinus infection, and I did get some Zyrtec D for decongestion, so I am actually a little more decongested now and feeling way better. I can't drink alcohol because I am on antibiotics, but whatever. Sure, we'll still get through the vacation.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know I get nasty. Don't Uber right at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. When you was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's party, yeah, I need all y'all.
Morning, guys. It is day 3 here in Panama. So it is like 9 in the morning. Yeah, it's 9:33 in the morning. I just woke up. Looks like it's a bit gloomy again today. So originally we wanted to do a catamaran today, but we end up not doing it, and now the weather is bad. It says it's gonna thunderstorm, so it's a good time we didn't do it. I don't know, maybe I'll see if we can go to the canal, but I was just about to make some breakfast. Actually, let me show you guys outside first to show you how gloomy it is. So it's very gloomy out. Like, it's not a hotel. People are always in this pool. So this is how it looks. It's very gloomy. So they say it's gonna thunderstorm. Wait, so I finally got to taste the Krispy Kremes. So Troy ordered a whole set of Krispy Kreme donuts. Yeah, we already ate them, so forget. The original ones, I love the original ones. They're so good. So yeah. So I don't know what we are doing today. Again, this is really another day where I really don't know what we are doing because it rained. Like I felt like this entire week. Like if you look at the weather for the week, wait. Excuse me, I look crazy. I didn't do anything with myself since I woke up this morning. But you can see the weather for the entire week, guys. Everything is thunderstorms, rain. Like today is 25, thunderstorms from 12, thunderstorms. So I'm just really hoping that it really doesn't thunderstorm all week. We're probably gonna do the catamaran on Friday instead. I want to do Monkey Island on Thursday or Wednesday. I don't know, guys. Like every day is saying thunderstorms, so I just really hope that it really doesn't thunderstorm every day because I'll be mad. Anyhow, as I said, just about to make some breakfast and then probably just gonna chill. Yesterday evening we didn't do a lot. We just chilled with the pool and everyone was down early. So I don't know yet what's gonna happen today. So I'll probably catch you guys after. Yeah. Bye. Yo, they burn the fucking bread.
Long enough, you can love me. I'll be just yours, you can hold. I can give you what you need. Even let you undress my mind. Say goodbye and watch it and rewind. I can give you what you need. Listen long enough, you can love me.
Is it only me, or do you guys get offended when you go to a store and I feel they're looking at you like, who's this black boy now? He can afford this? And then you get to the cashier and you pull out the card. I mean, I have a black card, but it's not like a unlimited or a no limit black card, American Express. It's just a regular black card, and they were like, can I see ID? And I'm like, nobody else asked me for ID. Where the fuck you want to see my ID for $128 purchase? Like, hello? Anyhow, that was just my pet peeve. Maybe it's just me, but I start to get highly offended when people say, can I see your ID? Like, you're trying to tell me I can't afford this? Maybe I just think too much into stuff, but whatever. I just had to let you guys know that. We fucking big. Anyhow, guys, so we're having our last walk.
Babe.
Sharon and Trey are leaving us.
Oh,
Trey's leaving tonight.
Wait,
Trey's
I got
leaving Trey's leaving tomorrow. So So we're having a farewell walk. Not a farewell walk, like somebody dead. We're actually walking on the street for food, and then we're going back to the hotel. Alright guys, so good morning, well good afternoon because it's like 2:20 p.m. but it is day 5 here in Panama, and we're actually at the Panama Canal now. I had made a reservation for us to come for 2, but we got out late and we didn't make it for 2. So we actually still came, so we're here now. We're about to get our tickets and go in. So I'll chat you guys when we get to the top of the observation deck. This is the information here for the tickets.
Si tú quieres bailar, sopa de caracol, hey! Hola,
Gracias.
we follow the group.
Alright guys, so we just made it to the top, and there's actually a ship coming through right now.
Está bajando. Deje el lago acá. Deje está como que hundido. Deje esta agua.
Alright guys, so it's getting close to the end. These are the tugs. We got pull the boats. Just pull that one over there. It's going through. Alright guys, so we saw about 4 ships went through. This is the biggest one here. Alright guys, so we just visited the canal. If you're coming to Panama, definitely the canal is some place you need to visit. It was nice. I enjoyed it. It was very interesting to watch how they drain one section and they fill up another section. Actually, we went for our Uber. Uber is 14 minutes away. I didn't know the Uber was gonna take so long. I probably would have called it ever since, but I didn't know the Uber was gonna take this long. So as I was saying, the canal, you definitely should visit the canal. We visited the Miraflores. Is it? I think it's the Miraflores Visiting Center, and it's just 10 US. If you go on TripAdvisor, they have one on there for 122 US dollars. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is for. I was trying to read the description to see if it included anything more than what was offered, and it seemingly does not include anything more. So I would suggest just take an Uber or taxi to the Miraflores Visiting Center. And when you get here, you just pay $10 and you see the same thing. I don't know what they're charging $155 for on TripAdvisor, but do not book it through TripAdvisor. That's my advice. While we were here, we saw about 4 ships went through. I didn't see any cruise ships. There were only oil ships and container ships. I would have loved to see a cruise ship, but I guess I don't know what time cruise ships actually cross. I think they do 2 different crossings. So if you're coming from the Atlantic to the Caribbean Sea, I believe that is, they do that on one set day, and if you're crossing from the Caribbean to the Atlantic, they do that on another set day. So I think today they were crossing from the Caribbean over to the Atlantic side, so we only saw ships going one direction. Yeah, so basically that's it. That's it for today, adventures. That's it for today, adventures. We're really not doing anything else today. We're just gonna run to the mall, grab a few things, maybe get something to eat and then head home. Tomorrow we are supposed to be doing Monkey Island. Oh, another thing here is I highly suggest using Uber when you're here. Taxis will charge you way more than Uber. So we're actually here waiting on our Uber, and the taxi guy was like, taxi, and I was like, no. So I guess he saw me on the Uber app trying to get an Uber, and he was like, how much did the Uber charge you? I guess he was trying to match how much the Uber charged. And I was like, well, Uber charged me $4.77 cents. And the man laughed and walked away because I guess he know he ain't charging me the $4.77 cents. So I highly suggest downloading Uber and using Uber. The rates on Uber are way cheaper than the taxis, and you will save a lot. So that's my tip for you guys. Hi guys, good morning. So it is day 5 here in Panama. We're actually out in the middle of the rainforest because, as I said yesterday, we were going to see the monkeys today. So it was like a 40-minute to hour drive. So we just stopped at this little restaurant to, I guess, use the restroom and stuff before we go onto the boat. So yeah, I just wanted to come and say hi to you guys. Good morning, and you know, just talk to you guys for the day before we actually start the tour. I actually didn't have any breakfast, and we wanted to. I was gonna get some food here, but I don't know about that. Food don't look good, so we just got a drink, and that's about it. So I think we're gonna head back down to the boat, which is like 5 minutes from here, and back it up. Right, this is 5 minutes from here, so I'll see you guys when we get to the boat. Here. This is the lake. This is the boat we are going on. This is our tour guide. see them coming.
Female. You can see it
Right, go ahead.
because the fur of her face is more darker than the other monkey.
Girl, you don't hear me calling you ever since. So you open your hand and you let him top.
Dígale que de a uno por uno para que no se vaya rápido. De one for one.
One for one?
Yeah. One peanut, one peanut, so they stay a little bit more time. But
You can, oh.
ven, niño, ven. Ven. Ven, niño. Ven. Ven, niño. Man, le robó la pobre uva al bebé. Le robaron la uva al bebé. Sí.
I ain't got no more money.
Hey, no problem.
No.
Selfie, 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 selfie.
Oye, se fue todo deprimido porque le robaron su uva.
Is this still boy my head?
Se fue deprimido. Ven, niña, ven. Dígale. Señor Rey, ¿cómo está? Regáleme ese cabello, Rey. Pégate el palo, Diane.
No llego.
Yo creo que ¿cuántos tienes allá, ve? ¿Y a dónde están? Tenía una uva y se la di y la acaban de dejar ir al agua.
Hi guys. So I just got back from what are you from? I just got back from the tour. So it was the monkey tour, Monkey Island, whatever you want to call it. It was a cute tour. I enjoyed it. We definitely get to go through the Panama Canal as well. So we saw like 3 or 4 ships going through the canal. So that was nice to see. The monkeys, that was also nice to see. It was a cute, overall, it was a fun little tour. So if you want something to do in the morning, I suggest you take the tour. It's a fun little tour. You see the monkeys, you take the food from your hand. It's cute. So I would do the tour. I'll put the link down below of where I booked it. I actually booked it on. Can you back on Mario? Right, so I actually booked it on TripAdvisor. So I'll put that link below in the description for you guys.
things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I'm feeling like I did too much. I'm feeling like I did too much. Let's get naughty on.
The restaurant, as you guys can see. I don't know what to order. Like, I just really don't know what to order. So it is day 7, and as you guys can see, I'm at the airport. So we're heading back to Barbados today. I didn't vlog yesterday because day 6. I didn't vlog yesterday, day 6, because we didn't do a lot yesterday. Well, we just went to the mall, did some last minute running around, stuff like that. As I said yesterday, I really wanted to do the catamaran, and it was going to take us to Tobago Island, but the weather told us it was going to thunderstorm all day, 100%. It didn't even thunderstorm, guys. So we could have did the catamaran. Anyhow, so we're at the airport now. We're just waiting to board our flight. It is 8:43. Our flight is at 9:26. So hopefully we'll start boarding soon. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Be sure to subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have been to Panama, if you've tried any of the places that I've tried, if you have any new places that you suggest that I can try next time, because I think I'm coming back in September. I have another group trip to Cancun, well, Tulum, so I may be back again. So let me know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe, and I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy all the travel vlogs that we had, and this is the final travel vlog, so yes.